Guys, this is Leo, and he want to take a picture. Okay, so we will take a picture for him, guys. Oh, portrait. Wow, you're so cute. I love it. Oh, one more. Another position, baby. Another position. Okay, okay. One more. Oh, cute eyes, cute eyes, cute eyes. Okay. Wow, you're so cute. Another one. Another. Talagang, he's looking at the camera, guys. Okay, one more. Cute eyes, cute eyes. Wow, no, look at me. Look at me. Wow, quite stylish shot. Wow, you're so lovable today. You love to take a picture, huh? Photo shoot. One more. Oh, look innocent, look innocent, look innocent. Okay, like that. Very good. Very good, my love. You're so cute. Oh, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Wow, that's great. That's great.